After completing entire 50 questions in your differential calculus, we are now going to start with application of derivatives in economics. That's cost function, average cost function, and all we are going to do. In this, we have remember points. You need to remember few things. Okay. First, what is cost function? Cost function is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost plus variable cost. This symbolically I can represent as C of X is equal to constant. Constant is going to be fixed. That is going to be constant A plus variable. Any changes in change will changes the value of X. So this is a symbolic representation. Then second one, average cost. What is meant by average? Something total divided by something. So it will be total cost divided by, either you can put output, you can use, or you can use quantity as a terminology. Is nothing but total cost is nothing but C of X. If quantity is going to be, output is going to be X. Okay. For example, C of X is going to be X square plus 5X plus 6, where X is the output or X is a quantity. What is AC? Is nothing but X square plus 5X plus 6 divided by X is equal to X plus 5 plus 6 by X. This is known as my third one. What I am using for the third one, we'll go for the marginal cost. What is meant by marginal cost? Okay. Continuing further, we have third one. What is the third one we are having? Marginal cost. What is meant by marginal? What is meant by marginal? Margin is nothing but the change in one quantity will change the difference in one quantity will change the cost of the another quantity. So if I want to use 100 quantities I need to produce, for that I am spending my variable cost is going to be 1000. If I want to spend 101 quantity, what is my cost? The difference between is going to make cost. So it is nothing but rate of change, or is nothing but differences. So if it is a rate of change, you will use differential of cost of it. If you differentiate the cost function, it will become a marginal cost. It will become what? Marginal cost. Then fourth one, revenue function. What is it called? Revenue function. Revenue function is known as R of X. R of X is equal to quantity into price. R of X is equal to what? Quantity into price. Okay, quantity into price. I am facing little bit network issues, so that I am switching off my video. So quantity is going to be X and price is going to be P. So I can say R of X is going to be P of X. R of X is going to be what? P of X. Suppose I want to know my average revenue. What is it? Total revenue divided by X. What is the total revenue here? That is R of X divided by X. What is R of X? P of X divided by X. XX will get cancelled P. From here onwards, whenever they ask the average revenue, you are simply going to put price as your average revenue. In this, before starting with differentiation exercise problem, you have 4 questions. You have how many questions? 4 questions. That 4 questions, we will keep it as a next part of the video. Okay. In this, what we are going to do, we are simply just focusing on the concepts along with the 2 past paper questions we are going to see. In our next part, we will treat that 5 questions separately and we will do. Okay, then sixth one. You are having a sixth one. What is the sixth one? Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is nothing but differentiation of revenue function. What is it? Profit function. Profit function is nothing but total revenue minus cost is not profit. So revenue function minus cost function. Revenue function minus cost function. P of x is equal to R of x minus C of x. Then eighth one, what is my average profit? My average profit is going to be P of x divided by x. What is my marginal profit? My marginal profit is going to be dA by dx into P of x, profit function. Differentiation of profit function will give me marginal profit. You need to understood it better once we have done with integral part. Because integral is an antiderivative. If they ask you cost by giving the marginal profit, you need to integrate it because the integration is an antiderivative. So if 10th one, if they ask C of x, what you need to do? Integration of marginal cost. Integration of marginal cost you need to do. Suppose if they ask revenue function, what you need to do? Integration of marginal revenue you need to do. Then if they ask profit function, you need to integrate the marginal profit into dx. Okay, this is what you need to do. Okay, these are the total 12 functions based on derivatives in economics you are having. And you are having one more thing which I don't know you know it or not, that has a concept of break-even point. Break-even. So it is nothing but in the break-even, because in economics you are having it. In the break-even point, my cost is same, my revenue is also same. There is no profit, no loss situation. Break-even point means what? No profit, no loss situation. Okay, so in the situation, what is my breaking even point? My revenue cost should be equal to, my revenue function should be equal to cost function. My revenue function should equal to cost function. This 13 thing you are having in your application of derivatives in economics. Just pause the video and copy down in your notebook. Okay. Then there are continuously testing this kind of problems in your examination part. That is based on maxima minima. What is it based on? Maxima and minima. Asking the concept of maxima and minimum. What is meant by maxima and minimum? You have to follow 5 steps to get your answers. What do you need to follow? 5 steps to get your answer. If you have a 5 thumb, is have a thumb rule that 5 steps, it is more than enough. First, you need to identify. First, what do you need to do? First, you need to identify. What do you need to identify? Identify function, the given function, that is f of x is equal to y. Identify. Then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. And then I'm assuming dy by dx is equal to 0. Put dy by dx is equal to 0. And find the value of output, that is x. Once you find out, in the next step, do a f double dash, that is d square y by dx square. Then in my 5th step, substitute the value of x in step 3 in step 4, that is d square y by dx square. Suppose if d square y by dx square is greater than 0, the function is to be maximum. The function is minimum. If it is greater than 0, the function is minimum. Suppose if d square y by dx square, that is f double dash of x is less than 0, then function is having a negative value is going to be, I can say my function is maximum. In this, in your examination, they have been testing 2 types of question. First past paper question I will write down. Copy along with me. The cost function of commodity is given by C of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36 plus 15. What? 36 plus 15. Then they are asking you, then cost will be minimum when x. They are asking the value. Option A 3, option B 2, option B 1, option D 0. How I am going to solve? What's my first step? Identify f. I know f dash of x is equal to what? Y is my function. Y is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 15. This you can change it to 36x plus 15. So once it has been done, then what is the dy by dx? Find dy by dx is nothing but 6x square minus 15x plus 36. Is it done? Then put 0. It will become 0. It will become what? If you put 0, wait, before that, I can take common. 6 is outside now. So if I am divided by 6 outside, x is equal to, it will become 30. 30x. It will become 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then if I put dy by dx is equal to 0, and put dy by dx is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6. If I multiply, it will be 6. If I add, it will be minus 5. So it will be what? 3 2s are. So 3 minus. So it will be x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. So x I am keeping outside. It will be x if I take outside, it will be x minus 3. If I take minus 2 outside, it will be x minus 3. Okay, equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 3. So 2 and 3, I am having it. My third step is over. This is my second step. This is my third step. What is my fourth step? Antiderivative d square y by dx square. This is nothing but dy by dx of dy by dx. I am going to derive it again. So it is nothing but 6x square will become 12x minus 30x will become 30. So it is done. Then first I am going to substitute x is equal to 2 in d square y by dx square. Then it will become 24 minus 30. It will become minus 6. They are asking what? Minimum. What is minimum? When my value is greater than 0, then only minimum. Then only minimum. Okay. Wait. I'm substituting x is equal to 2. I'm substituting x is equal to 2 in my equation. If I substitute x is equal to 2 in my equation, it is less than 0. Is it right? Less than 0. If it is less than 0, it is nothing but what? Maximum. So I only need minimum. So I am substituting x is equal to 3 in my equation. It will become 12 3s are 36 minus 30. Is it right? 36 minus 30 is greater than 0. So it is 6 only. So it is greater than 0. Then when x is going to be minimum, whenever I put 3, my x is going to be minimum. So what is my answer? My answer is option A. Did you understood? Along with this example, you can take it as your screenshot. One more sum. With one more sum, this maxima minima concept is getting over. One more sum, this maxima minima concept is getting over. Just take your screenshots. Shall we move to, this is a very easy problem. Shall we move to a little bit complicated? Okay. Those who are watching a recording, just pause the video and copy down in your notebook and then resume it. Okay. Final question we will do. They have given cost of x is going to be 150x minus 5x square plus x cube divided by 6. And they have given if AC is equal to MC, then what is x? Option A 5, option B 10, option C 15, option D 20. They have given. So what is AC by MC? AC is equal to MC. What is AC? It is cost function divided by x is equal to differential of cost function. Is it right? Okay. What is cost? 150x minus 5x square plus x cube by 6 whole divided by x whole divided by x. Okay. Equal to, what is differential value? 150. I'm directly write my cost function now. First we will write down 150 minus 10x plus 3x square by 6. 3x square by 6. Because as of now, I don't know. Okay, I don't know about this value. So then what I will do? I will do 150 minus 5x plus x square by 6 equal to 150 minus 10x plus 3x square by 6. If you 150 will get cancelled. 10x minus 5x is equal to 3x square by 6 minus x square by 6. Don't cancel it. It will become, you need to take it again LCM and you need to do. By keeping the same, x square by 6, you can simply do, it will be 2x square by 6, it will be 5x. 5x. Okay, so x will get cancelled and you are having 1x. So it will be 5 into 6 divided by 2 is equal to x, is nothing but 30 by 2 is equal to x, and is nothing but x is equal to 15. Your answer is option C. Now you can take as your screenshot. With this, application of derivatives in economics concept is over, along with 2 past year questions I have done. Okay, are you able to understood? Are you able to understood? Yes. With this, this part of the video is over. This lecture is over. In our next lecture, we will do the ICI material. At last, that this chapter will be ending it. Thank you. Have a good day.